Right, so today I'll be showing you how to set a photo ambient wallpaper on the lock screen of your Galaxy Z TriFold. Now, this is very simple. All you have to do is go to the lock screen, long press on the lock screen, enter your password if you ask to, and that's going to open up the lock screen editor. Tap on wallpapers, and in the wallpaper categories, under the AI section, you will see photo ambient wallpaper. So that's what you want to tap on. And then you can tap on try it now, and then it says agree to use local weather. So you're gonna have to give permission for this specific feature to access your weather in real time, all the time. Okay, so you select change to precise location, and then that's gonna get turned on. Now once you do that, you can now go a step back and then choose a photo you want to use with your ambient wallpaper. Now I'm going to choose this photo that I took, and then you can see it says based on the default location in the weather app, Photo Ambient Wallpaper uses AI to change your own photo. So this is what it's going to look like. So you can tap on that and see a preview of what that's going to look like. When it's raining, it's going to look like that. When it's snowing, it's going to look like that. And it takes the information of your current location and the weather there. So if you're happy with it, just tap on done in the top right corner, and that's gonna be it. Now today it's actually a very sunny morning where I am, and so it's gonna stay sunny exactly the way it is. You can actually see the rays of the sun in that. Look at that, brilliant. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck.